The best gifts for gardeners is probably one of the most anticipated videos on my channel, as I share some unique and practical gift ideas for those with a green thumb. When picking gifts for gardeners, consider their gardening style, the size of their garden space, and their specific interests within the realm of gardening. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 gifts for gardeners and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Illuminate your garden. Garden string lights. Make your backyard the ultimate hangout spot with these string lights. They're perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere for gatherings or relaxing evenings. These lights are made to last with weatherproof technology, so you can enjoy them in any weather conditions. Plus, they come with spare bulbs in case you need them. The 100 incandescent glass bulbs can last up to 1,000 hours, giving you plenty of time to enjoy them. And with dimmable options, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your mood. What we like? Turn your backyard into a sought-after hangout. If you like to create a cozy outdoor atmosphere, this is for you. The dimmable feature lets you adjust the brightness to your liking. What people say? The soft, warm glow of the Edison bulbs created a cozy atmosphere that was perfect for hosting outdoor parties and gatherings. Plus, the fact that it came with 2 spare bulbs was a thoughtful touch, ensuring that the festivities wouldn't be interrupted by a burnt-out bulb. I must say, they have completely transformed my balcony. From the moment I unboxed them, I was impressed by the quality. The 25-foot length with 13 Edison-style plastic bulbs, plus a spare, seemed perfect for the space I had in mind. I hung a 25-foot string around the perimeter of my balcony, and they look fantastic. I have a grid-style railing, so the lights clip on and are not only secure, but in a nice even line. Number 4. Best Soil Moisture and Light Tester. SONKIR Soil Tester. With this soil tester, you can spend less time checking on the soil and more time enjoying your garden. It's a must-have for every avid gardener. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. This soil tester works without them. Simply insert it into the soil and get immediate results. Check the soil's moisture, light, and pH levels effortlessly with this handy tool. Ensure your plants are getting the right nutrients for optimal growth. Insert the soil tester 2 to 4 inches into the soil and you're all set. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. By using this soil tester, you can ensure that your plants and produce are growing healthily. Keep track of the soil conditions to promote thriving growth. What we like? Spend less time checking soil and more time gardening. If you are a soil-focused gardener, this is a must-have. Ensures healthy plant growth by monitoring moisture, light, and pH levels. What people say? My wife and I always disagree about the houseplants needing water. This has solved the problem. There is no guesswork involved. It seems very accurate and is very easy to use. Highly recommended. After a few years of struggling with the garden and trouble growing certain vegetable, we bought this to help us figure out what type of soil we had and what we may need to add to it for the particular crops we be growing. Knowing your soil type can be a true game changer for your garden. Worth the investment and the time spent checking before you start planting. Number 3. Best Garden Seat. Gardening Kneeler Stool Combo. Enjoy gardening with ultimate comfort. The seat is made with a thick EVA foam. The steel frame is lightweight yet durable. It folds flat for easy storage and simple carry-along. Keep all your gardening essentials handy with the included tool patch. Get a pair of gloves with digging tips included. Make gardening more comfortable and convenient with this combo kneeler and stool. What we like? Make gardening more comfortable and convenient. Great for those who struggle with knee or back pain. Keep all your essentials handy and easily accessible with the tool patch. What people say? The perfect weed pulling, berry picking support device. It folds up easily and works as a small portable bench for my berry picking bucket. Lightweight and very sturdy. I was impressed how sturdy it is, and how stable it was. It really helped get my 200 pounds frame up from ground level. Number 2. For keeping bugs away from plants and produce. THERMACELL Bug Repeller. Tired of dealing with candles and flames to keep bugs away? Our bug repeller from THERMACELL provides a 15-foot zone of coverage without the hassle. Forget about constantly reapplying bug spray. Our fuel cartridge lasts up to 12 hours, giving you peace of mind all day long. Our repellent mats are made with a synthetic alethrin formula similar to the extract found in plants. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a natural solution. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours and changes color when it's time to replace. Keeping your outdoor space bug-free has never been easier. Looking for a DEET-free alternative to traditional bug repellents? Look no further. Our bug repeller provides effective protection without the chemicals. What we like? Keep bugs at bay without harsh chemicals. If you want a safe and effective bug repellent, the 15-foot coverage zone ensures a bug-free gardening experience. What people say? Bug sprays and candles never worked for my family, so using our back porch during the summer was always a nightmare with mosquitoes. We decided to give this a shot and I was beyond impressed. Worth every penny. My yard has mosquitoes terribly due to it being so wet year-round, and I've tried bracelets, tiki torches, multiple, candles, etc., but doesn't compare to this. Lasts me a long time for each blue thing because I don't stay outside for the full 4 hours straight. I've even told other friends who purchased this and have had great results. Highly recommend. Number 1. Essential Tools. Green Thumb Tool Set. Whether you're just starting out or a pro in the garden, having the right tools is crucial. This set includes everything you need to care for your plants. Each tool in this set is designed with a soft handle for comfortable use. Say goodbye to sore palms after a long day of gardening. Keep your tools organized and easily accessible with the included Oxford cloth tote. No more digging around for the right tool. Made with quality materials, these tools are built to last. From planting to pruning, this set has you covered for all your gardening needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, this tool set is perfect for anyone with a green thumb. Get your hands on this set and watch your garden flourish. What we like? Have all the tools you need for gardening success, perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. The soft handles make it easy on your hands during long gardening sessions. What people say? The tools are sturdy and do well for basic tasks such as weeding, moving plants, digging, replanting, aerating, clipping, and so on. The tote is sturdy and holds all the tools plus gloves and bulbs or knee pads. The tools themselves are fairly solid and comfortable to hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.